God is saying to you today, my beloved child, I see you. I have watched every tear fall, heard every silent prayer, and felt every ache in your heart. Even the cries you couldn't put into words, I understood them. You have not been overlooked. I have not abandoned you. I am closer than your next breath, holding you together when you feel like falling apart. You've questioned why the road has been so rough. You've wondered if I've forgotten the promises I made to you. But hear me clearly. I do not lie. I do not change. And I do not forget. What I have spoken over your life will come to pass. Not a single word will fall to the ground. I know the path has been long. The doors you thought would open stayed shut. The people you trusted walked away. And sometimes, even your own thoughts have turned against you. But I want you to understand, everything the enemy meant for evil, I am turning for your good. Not some things, not just the easy things, everything. There is purpose in your process. There is treasure in your trial. And there is growth in your waiting. You're not stuck. You're being positioned. I'm not punishing you. I'm preparing you. Do not despise this season of hiddenness, for it is in the secret place that I am strengthening your spirit. While others may be applauded on stages, I'm building your foundation in silence. Because when I lift you, no one will be able to deny it was me. When I bless you, it won't just be for you. It will overflow and bless generations. You're not too late. You're not too broken. You are not behind. You are right on schedule, for my timing is perfect. There are things I had to remove because they were blocking what I truly wanted to give you. Some relationships weren't rejected. They were redirected. Some delays weren't punishment. They were protection. You've been trying to figure it all out. You've been trying to carry it all on your own. But child, you were never meant to carry what only I can handle. Lay it down at my feet. Trust me with the pieces you don't understand. I'm not just the God of miracles. I'm the God of process. And I will walk you through every step. Even in the silence, I've been speaking. Even in the stillness, I've been moving. My hand has been on your life the whole time. And the very thing you thought disqualified you, I will use it to glorify me. Lift your head. Wipe your tears. You are still chosen. You are still called. And you are still on my heart. Do not compare your journey to anyone else's. Your story is uniquely mine. I wrote every chapter with purpose, every valley with intention, and every mountaintop with victory in mind. What others see as delay, I see as development. What you call waiting, I call working. I'm opening doors no man can shut. I'm sending answers no one expected. I'm releasing blessings that have been stored up just for you. In the coming days, you will see glimpses of my faithfulness in ways that will leave you speechless. Unexpected favor, divine connections, answers to long-prayed prayers, and peace that doesn't make sense but will feel like home. Don't stop believing. Don't stop praising. Even now, angels are moving on your behalf. You're not forgotten. You're favored. You're not forsaken. You're flourishing. I need you to stop rehearsing your pain and start declaring your promise. Speak life over your situation. Speak hope over your heart. Speak destiny over your doubts. Because life and death are in the power of your tongue. And I've given you the authority to call those things that be not as though they were. I've called you victorious. I've called you whole. I've called you worthy. And no weapon formed against you will prosper. Not fear, not failure, not fatigue. You may have been through fire, but you're coming out refined, not destroyed. Get ready. I'm about to exceed your expectations. You've waited long, but the wait has not been wasted. You've been faithful in little, and now I will trust you with much. Your latter will be greater than your former. The tears you cried in private will be the reason you dance in public. The storm you barely survived will be the testimony that lifts others. And the mountain you're facing now, it will bow my name. So don't give up. The breakthrough is closer than it feels. The blessing is bigger than you imagined. And my glory will be seen through you in ways that no one saw coming. Keep trusting. Keep moving. Keep believing. I'm not finished with you yet. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know in the comments if this message spoke to your heart.